Hey viewers, welcome the video. You've probably heard about the mysterious and legendary Order of Assassins. Their legacy has inspired countless stories, movies and video games, making them one of the most fascinating topics in popular culture. Join us as we are about to explore the history of assassins. Assassins, also known as hashashin, were a secretive and highly skilled group of assassins that emerged in the Middle East during the 11th century. The origin of the group is attributed to Hassan-ibn Sabbah, a Persian leader who founded the Nizari Ismaili sect, a branch of Shia Islam. Hassan-ibn Sabbah established a fortress in the mountains of northern Iran known as Al-Amut, which served as the headquarters of the Nizari Ismaili sect. From there, he trained a group of loyal followers who were willing to carry out his orders, including acts of assassination. The assassins were known for their stealth and their ability to infiltrate enemy territory undetected. They would often disguise themselves as travelers or merchants and gain the trust of their targets before striking. Their weapons of choice included daggers, poison, and sometimes even explosives. The assassins' most famous targets were often political figures and military leaders who threatened the Nizari Ismaili sect's power and influence in the region. Through their assassinations, the assassins were able to control key territories and establish themselves as a powerful force in the Middle East. The Nizari Ismaili sect and the assassins eventually declined in power and influence, but their legacy lives on in popular culture and history. The term assassin has come to be associated with skilled killers who operate in secret, and the group's tactics and techniques continue to fascinate people to this day. The decline of the assassins began in the 13th century when the Mongol Empire, led by Hulagu Khan, conquered Al-Amut and destroyed their stronghold in 1256. The Mongols ruthlessly suppressed the Nizari Ismaili sect, killing many of its leaders and followers, including the last ruler of Al-Amut, Rukn al-Din Kursha. The destruction of Al-Amut dealt a severe blow to the assassins' power and influence. They were forced to scatter and operate in secret, making it difficult for them to carry out their operations and establish themselves as a significant force in the region. Moreover, the Nizari Ismaili sect was also facing opposition from other Muslim sects, particularly the Sunni and the Orthodox Shia. The assassins were viewed as a heretical sect by the Orthodox Muslims and were persecuted by them. Over time, the political landscape of the Middle East changed, and new powers emerged, making it more challenging for the assassins to operate. The Ottomans, Safavids, and Mamluks, who were competing for power in the region, were all hostile to the Nizari Ismaili sect and their assassins. By the 16th century, the assassins had lost much of their power and influence, and their activities had declined significantly. The last known assassination attributed to the assassins was in 1588 when they attempted to assassinate the Ottoman Sultan, Murad III. Today, the assassins and their legacy continue to capture the imagination of people worldwide, and their tactics and techniques have been the subject of many books, films, and games. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. Also, let me know your opinions about the video in the comments section and if you have any suggestions for future topics. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.